Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. So good Tuesday morning, ladies and gentlemen, and of course, welcome back from summer vacation. We're here at the new MRP production studio in the Newark office building here in Kalenska in Prague, Warsaw. I see they're always doing a lot of great events here and podcasts and interviews with other companies. So if you're looking to do some filming or something, some interviews here, this is always a good place to do it. Let them know either at Newark or through this MRP Productions. They will probably book the place for you. We have a lot going on the news side, and we're here with, of course, Winston Norman, our editor-in-chief for Tuesday morning. So, Winston, let's pop over to Winston first for the headlines.
Good Tuesday morning, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. And my name's Winston Norman, and here are the headlines for today. Panattoni gets a 54 million loan from BNP Paribas Polska. P3 acquires land for a third logistics park near Poznan. First half year in Romania sees more than 500,000 square meters of industrial and logistics space leased. And Savills has appointed a new CEO for the CEE region.
So, Winston, thank you for those headlines, and we'll come right back with the news. We got a lot going on. First, our 20th anniversary party that we're doing in Prague, celebrating 20 years on the market of Europa Property. This will be at Slovansky Dum. We have some nice food, drinks, great opportunity for networking, September 19th. We're also working with the Hotel Julius, which is our great apartment hotel, and it's only 100 meters away from the event. So we would definitely like to invite you to the to our 20th anniversary party. And if you're flying in for the event, stay at Julius Hotels. They've got some great discounts. And it's just a nice place to stay. Also, October, we're kicking off October with EXPO Real and our ultimate investment guide, which we have distribution throughout EXPO Real, and then many specific locations like the Warsaw stand, Czech, Hungary, Serbia, and Romania stands. So a lot of specific distribution and general distribution, over 5,000 magazines distributed. We're there. We're also filming there. So if you'd like to do a special Coffee with Craig show during Expo Real, let us know. We'll be ready with the team there to film you and to do an interview with that. Also, right after that, we have our CRE Awards in Hungary and at the InterContinental, once again, Hungary, 5th anniversary. Big event, a lot of people coming, of course, the top people from Hungary, but of course, Czech, Slovakia, Serbia, a lot from Serbia, a few from Croatia as well, some pretty big operators, and Montenegro, little Montenegro, Serbia focus as well. Of course, the biggest market is Hungary, so really a lot happening there. So join us on October 19th for the CRE Awards, Commercial Real Estate Awards. And 1 week after is our Investment Awards in Warsaw. CE Investment Awards really is the regional meeting place for investors. We got top investors coming from Western Europe and then some Western Europe, US, and of course also some local and regional investors. So that is the 26th of October. We'd love to see you for that. So a lot happening. Welcome back from summer vacation. It is back to business month, so let's stay in touch and see how we can develop and help promote your businesses through our Coffee with Craig show, the magazines, the events. We want to help you expand and just get more publicity out there and a bit more PR. Having said that, we'll take a little break and we'll jump over to Winston with the news.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is Craig Smith, publisher of EuropaProperty.com. Welcome to the 5th annual Europa Property CRE Awards and the only international real estate awards event based in Budapest, Hungary, and covering the region. This year's awards really highlight the professionalism in the region, and with over 40% of the attendees flying in for the event, it is truly international. Meet the most active investors, bankers, and developers in the region. The CRE Awards is not to be missed. Visit our website, creawards.net or EuropaProperty.com.
Welcome back. My name's Winston Norman, and here's the main news for today. So Panattoni has received financing from BNP Paribas Bank Polska for a large industrial park in Bydgoszcz, Poland. The 54 million loan is for the developer to finance Panattoni Park Bydgoszcz 4, a 110,000 square metre complex of 3 buildings that was handed over in July this year and is now 90% leased. And according to Karina Trojanska, Chief Financing and Operating Officer for Poland at Panattoni, the 54 million loan demonstrates the huge confidence that BNP Paribas Polska has in our development. Staying in the logistics industry and moving to Poznan, and P3 Logistics Parks has acquired a 30-hectare plot of land in Dachowa near Poznan. The site will become the new P3 Poznan 3 Park. The newly acquired site is located to the south of Poznan near the A2 motorway, which provides good connections to Warsaw and Berlin, as well as access to other major transportation networks, logistics hubs and key markets. And according to Bartholomew Hoffman, Managing Director of P3 in Poland, being a strategic investment, the acquisition will allow us for the extension of our portfolio in the area and offer our customers even more suitable logistics solutions. Moving to Romania and staying in the logistics and industrial industry, and nearly 500,000 square metres of space was leased in the first half of the year in Romania. Reports Cushman & Wakefield Equinox. Over 1/3 of this volume was related to pre-lease agreements, mainly in projects set to be delivered in 2024. However, there's been a slowdown in the development pace as the leading developers in the market have adopted a more cautious approach in the current economic context, and this approach will put pressure on rental levels in the coming months. And according to Rodika Takavu from Cushman & Wakefield Equinox, Romania is a dynamic and attractive hub for many companies, both existing and those aiming to expand in the region in order to streamline their logistics operations. In this context, we are optimistic about the market's evolution going forward, both in terms of supply and demand. And finally, for today, Savills has appointed a CEO for Central and Eastern Europe. Current Managing Director of the Czech Republic and Slovakia, Stuart Jordan, will take on the role, having successfully developed Savills' Czech business since 2017, including its recent expansion of operations into Slovakia. Stuart will lead Savills' wholly owned offices in the Czech Republic and Poland, as well as coordinating cross-border activity with associate offices in Austria, Hungary, Romania and Serbia. And commenting, James Sparrow, CEO of Savills in the UK, Savills CEE will operate as one region, reflecting the way in which our clients operate to allow us to ensure a seamless service within Central and Eastern Europe. And those are the highlights for today. For more news, please join us again tomorrow.
Thank you, Winston, and thank you all for watching the Coffee with Craig show, and we will see you Wednesday morning with the news.
Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show, and don't forget to share it with your friends.